This video covers a wide variety of topics, including 7 postulates that are in this unit, the definition of perpendicular, as well as biconditional. The postulates we went over in class, they're listed here. If you have any questions about any of them, you probably want to ask your teacher for some more specifics. So let's move on. Perpendicular lines are lines that intersect to form right angles. And the symbol for indicating that something is a right angle is they'll put like a box in the corner, and that lets you know that it's a 90-degree angle and that two lines are perpendicular. You can also have a line being perpendicular to a plane, and where the line intersects the plane at that particular point, that's called the foot. And to indicate perpendicular, the symbol is an upside down uppercase T. And so you could say, for example, segment AC is perpendicular to segment BD, and then you wouldn't have to write the entire word perpendicular out, and everybody would know that these two segments meet and form a right angle. The third topic in this video is biconditionals. We already went over if-then statements, and a biconditional is a statement that contains the phrase if and only if. It's usually in the middle of the sentence. So if we were going to write a true biconditional that you might hear Miss Cronenberg say, an example could be, you may go to prom if and only if you are asked by an upperclassman. So you can see it's a biconditional. It has if and only if, and it's giving you the conditions in order for you to go to prom. Write a true geometry biconditional. There's many to choose from, and the one that I wrote for this particular video was, two lines are perpendicular if and only if they intersect at right angles. So that is incorporating what we did back in this slide as well. If two lines intersect to form right angles, then they're perpendicular. If they're perpendicular, then they intersect to form right angles. So it's an if and only if statement.